Hi guys, Ron, Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. How's it going? I wanted to update you on what's happening with my channel. I'm doing some changes to my channel. Normally I put up videos every Tuesday and Friday, sometimes Monday and Friday. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing a change. Mondays are going to be devoted to movie studio tutorials. And the reason is I'm getting so many requests to do tutorials, and people asking, they're watching my Vegas Pro tutorials and asking how can they do this in movie studio. So I want to help them out. And the reason I want to help them out is when I first got involved in video editing, my first software I used was Sony Vegas Movie Studio 10. That was my first video editing software I used. Well, actually not my first video editing software I used. First editing software I used in the last 10 years. I used editing software back in the 90s, but that's another story. So anyways, getting back to when I was getting serious into doing video editing, Sony Vegas Movie Studio 10 was my first video editing software. And back then it was real cheesy looking, and I fired it up on an old computer. I had version 10, 11, 12, and 13 Platinum. And I fired it up, and it's a real cheesy looking program. The layout is really looks amateurish. Movie Studio 16, they really changed it a lot. I'm not sure what 14 and 15 was like, but 16 looks almost exactly Vegas Pro 16. The layout is not exactly the same, it's about 98% the same. The only difference between Movie Studio and Vegas is Movie Studio in compositing mode, you have multiply mask and source alpha. Whereas in Vegas Pro, you have 14 different options. So it gives you a lot more flexibility to do different special effects, like muzzle flashes, realistic muzzle flashes with Vegas Pro, and lots of other features that Vegas Movie Studio doesn't have. So since my roots were kind of on getting started on YouTube was with Movie Studio, I'm going to devote Mondays to Movie Studio Mondays, where I bought 2 weeks ago, I bought Movie Studio 16 Platinum, and that's going to be, Mondays are going to be devoted to helping people out with tutorials on Movie Studio on every Monday. And Tuesday and Thursday I'll get back to my regular schedule of doing either Vegas Pro tutorials or tech reviews or something to do with technology, because my channel is Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. I don't want to just concentrate strictly on tutorials. I want to branch out more into technology, like doing reviews like I did on that 8-data SSD. So that's the kind of things I want to get into more, is doing more software support for different Windows bugs that I've run into over the years. I've published videos and they've become very successful on helping people solve different problems with their computers. So Tech Tips and Tech Stuff is not strictly Movie Studio and Vegas Pro. It's everything to do with technology, but still the core is going to be tutorials on software, either Vegas Pro or Movie Studio. So I just want to let you know what's happening. This is going to start actually as of today. I uploaded a video today on a split screen for Movie Studio 16 Platinum. It will work in older versions of Vegas Movie Studio, and all versions of Vegas Pro it will work in as well. So I just want to let you know what's happening. If you guys are excited for the changes that's happening, please give the video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.